Whoa. Holy shit. This is fucking awesome. Oh my god. Holy shit. Look at this place, man. You're telling me that this place is hidden from the public? I wonder why. Like, they can easily make a nature trail here, guys. We have like a strong, or very, what's the word? Expansive and expensive parks and recreation community in Florida. So I'm just surprised that they haven't used this. What is that? Is that a mushroom? Oh, mushroom. Sorry, spider. I see mushroom. Oh, it's a hard one. Probably old. Whoa. Yeah, this is so sick.